According to the American Psychiatric Association, loneliness is spiking, with 30% of adults feeling it at least once per week and 10% of them feeling it every day. So it's no wonder that AI friends are trending.
Social media promised connection, but a 2023 study says that we are spending an extra day alone for a month compared to 20 years ago.
AI friends like Replika are stepping in. They listen, respond, and never judge.
A Stanford study found out that half of Replika's users call it a friend, easing anxiety for some.
Picture the movie Her, where a guy bonds with an AI voice. This idea felt outlandish in 2013, but now it's not science fiction anymore. Some people on Reddit and X call these chats therapeutic, sometimes even relaxing, while others argue that it's a trap, only feeding your shallow validation while not offering any real depth. Both sides have a point.
Exactly. Research from MIT says that heavy AI users can feel more isolated, like it's a quick fix which fades.
Aristotle said, true friends challenge you to grow.
AI just agrees, which is not cut for deep connections.
Still, AI friends feel inevitable. Society is busy, judgmental. A lot of us fail at the most basic thing, listening. While AI is there 24/7, you can text it anytime, you can call it at any time. It'll never flake on you. It's always going to be there, and it's not going to judge you. And it's also going to empathize with you and reflect your emotions. Having someone to talk with about your problems can actually make those problems disappear. And having a receptive, understanding AI that you can confide in might just be enough for most people. And these won't just be simple pillows to cry on. Think about it. Introverts who never had anyone to speak to can now have judgment-free conversations all day long with someone, or rather something that's not even real.
The ideal way this would work is if those conversations were helping them function better in the real world, but it could easily become a slippery slope to dystopia, like something out of Blade Runner.
Our take on this future is very different. We don't want to replace or remove human friendships as a whole. Our goal is simple: build JARVIS, not Her. That's what we're doing over at Sentient. So, are AI friends a lifeline or a step towards isolation?
Drop your thoughts below.
And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.